Well, here we are. First day with the new used Vette. And it's lovely weather. So, I can't really see it too well. It's a 2015, 21,000 miles. Just a Stingray, not a Z06, because I'm poor. I'm really poor now. But, basically bought this because I'm stupid. So, you don't need to tell me, I already know. But, you only live once, and C7s are pretty sweet. I really liked my C5, but it had some issues I didn't want to mess with anymore, just because I get tired of cars. It had water leaks, and those fixed roof coupes are known for that. Had the typical GM electronic issues in the dash, with stuff not working and not lighting up anymore. Check engine lights constantly for the stupid air pump valves, even though you replace some. Anyway, had it for 3 years, and my goal was, when I got the C5, was to keep it for a while and then go up to C6 Z06 and then keep that for a while and then get a C7. So I just skipped the C6 and went to the C7 because I've been looking for a while, and honestly I got a really good deal on this one. I didn't think it was going to happen. I lowballed them, and then they ended up giving me a decent deal. He gave me exactly what I wanted for my trade-in, considering what it was. And yeah, so now we have this. And this is going to be a long-term car because I can't afford to do anything else but to keep this. So we'll do some stuff with this, hopefully pro charge it at some point. Definitely lower it, headers, maybe different wheels. Get the Z06 taillights, maybe they're clear. I'm not a big fan of how all the vents are color matched on this one, but that'll stay for now. For now we're not going to do anything with this, but keep it out in the snow and drive it. So yeah, get some video of this when it's not crappy out. It's ridiculous.